So here we have 2a in brackets raised to the power of minus 2. And below the bracket, we have 2a to the power of negative 2. Now notice there's a slight difference. In the numerator, everything is raised to the power of negative 2. But in the denominator, only a is raised to the power of negative 2. So let us simplify this. If I apply the law of exponents to remove the brackets, I'll multiply the exponent of 2 and the exponent of a, which is 1, with negative 2. So that becomes 2 to the power of negative 2, a to the power of negative 2, because I have 1 multiplied with negative 2, and that becomes negative 2, and a to the power of 1 multiplied with negative 2, and that becomes negative 2. That's how we remove the brackets. In the denominator, we have 2a to the power of negative 2. Now I notice I have two sets of a to the power of negative 2, so they can cancel out. So I'm left with 2 to the power of negative 2 over 2. And if you would like, you can move this negative exponent with its base to the bottom of the fraction. So that becomes 1 over 2 times 2 to the power of 2. And if I multiply out, that becomes 1 over 8. Because 2 times 2 squared is 8. So sometimes we don't need to apply the law of exponents where we subtract exponents from one another. Sometimes they do cancel out, and we can simplify by simply moving the negative exponents around.